Primarily, my interest in keeping bees stems back over 20 years. I bought the place around about 15 years ago, and 2 or 3 years after that we started keeping bees. When I became a beekeeper, it was quite difficult to find equipment on a weekend, particularly because you're working throughout the course of the week. There is nowhere around here, there's nowhere in Wales where I could have gone and bought equipment. So I woke up one morning and I said, well, hang on a minute, I can sell equipment and this will help now all the other local beekeepers around. And it's just grown and grown and grown from there. Primarily, our business started as an online business where we ship our suits or any beekeeping equipment virtually all over the world. We've shipped to Australia, New Zealand, America, Canada. But more and more people wanted to physically come in and look at products that we have, and this is why we decided to open the shop. There are over 40,000 registered beekeepers in England, Wales and Scotland. I was extremely surprised to find that there was no suit designed and manufactured specifically for women. Well, the suit is quite unique because there is no suit that we believe in the UK that's been specifically designed to suit the woman's shape. It has all the safety features of a male suit or a unisex suit, but we've actually made the cut slightly different to accommodate women. I've worked with Cywain since the start of the project, which is going back a few years. The assistance Cywain has given me has been invaluable. The honey cluster has benefited me dramatically, to be honest with you. It's been a collaboration between all sorts of different people, working with them and looking at different projects that we've been doing, the introduction of meeting like-minded people. The project itself, which is run by Hives, is absolutely fantastic. You know, we think a lot of it because we learn something every day of the week from it. The cluster has helped to research some information that was needed in the production side of producing this type of suit. The information wasn't available to me, and the cluster helped us get this information, which is pivotal really in our design and for our production techniques. Well, we actually launched the suit this week on our website, and the first order that we had come in was from Austria. The following morning we had one in from the Netherlands. We got lots of interest from Canada, Quebec particularly, and in North America.
Hello, I'm Angharad Rhys from Mael Gwerin Griffith, and we're also members of Cywain's Honey Cluster. Now, if you're a Welsh beekeeper looking to expand your business and looking for support, then please do get in touch with Cywain's Honey Cluster right away.